So in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly resize elements from your branding to use them in different formats and sizes. This, for example, is going to be for Pixieset, which requires a favicon size of 32 by 32 pixels. So I'm going to come over here. I wanted to switch out this black icon. I'm going to open it. I'm going to actually duplicate it. So I have a copy of it. And then I'm going to come up to Tools, Adjust Size in Preview, and I'm going to write 32. Make sure it's set as pixels. This will scale proportionately so it doesn't cut off or crop anything that we don't want cropped. And click OK. And as you can see, it has resized. So I'm just going to save this. I'm going to put it on my desktop so it's easy to find. And then whenever I log in to Pixieset, it will be there for me to use, and I can just open the file and upload it. You can do this in Canva too. There is a way to create the sizing in Canva to fit specific proportions. And then you can just upload that to whichever platform that you need it. All right, hope this was helpful.